The stage is yours.
Thank you. Hi guys and welcome to Argentine Chef. Today we are making burgers, but the burger I'm making today is with a special meat. It's lamb. It's not beef, it's lamb. It's really good. So to give the perfect season that I want, I will be using Patagonia mix. Patagonia mix have everything that I want. You can put all your herbs that you want, but this one have everything. They have salt, pepper, paprika, cloves, nutmeg, all the things that we use in the Patagonia, and it is delicious. So let's get to it. Okay, so we have our meat over here, the lamb. We have some Patagonia mix over here. Just I want to sprinkle, like be generous about it. It will be like 2 tablespoons, and then we need to make our hands dirty and massage this one to incorporate all the flavors. There we go. So more you massage the meat, better become. So you don't need any eggs or anything to glue it together. The more you massage it, better it becomes. If you do this to it, that will activate the protein, and you can see it doesn't separate. I will do 6 different burgers. So I'm gonna do balls like this. Just like that. And then smash it. Make it beautiful. Basically, it's, you know, the size of the bread. So we are here in the stove. We have our flat top really hot. You can use a pan if you don't have flat top, but I think you have it. Now, I don't need to use any oil or butter or anything because the quantity of fat that this meat has is really high. So you just go and place it there. That's the sound that you want again. That means caramelization. So after we cook our burgers, we come up from the hot tub here to the table. I have already my bread toasted. So we are going ahead and build the burgers. So I like some tomatoes in my burger, the burger, lamb, and then some lettuce to be a little bit healthy, you know. And we have, this is one of the burgers. Go ahead and do all this and I come back soon. So this is our finished product, the burger already made. I put some lettuce, tomatoes, and the lamb. We use Patagonia mix. So if you have any question, please leave a comment, share the video and like. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.